Hello and welcome to another tutorial from the Money Tube. Now I will show you how to send and receive your crypto. So in this example right here for Bitcoin, I'm at the Bitcoin overview page, and you can click here, the wallet tab, to access your wallet, and then scroll over here. You can now enter an amount. Now enter in a mobile, email, or address, the actual Bitcoin address to your recipient, and you can add a note here if you want, and then click on continue and then confirm the payment. And that's pretty much all there is to it. For sending, it'll take, depending on the network, from 15 to 30 minutes if you want to send Bitcoin. If you send with other cryptos, it's a lot faster, but overall it's a very easy process to send with CoinBase. Now to receive Bitcoin or whatever cryptos you want, make sure you access the wallet tab for whatever the crypto you want to receive money in, and then click on the receive tab and you will see your Bitcoin address right here. So pretty much copy this and then give it out, and then people can send you Bitcoin to this address, and this will only receive Bitcoin. Do not send any other crypto to your Bitcoin address. Alright, and that's pretty much the basics of Coinbase. I hope this helped. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Please leave a comment down below. Thanks again, and until next time, happy trading.